Hello, my name is Sana Alexis Sanchez, and I just wanted to share my own opinion on why the Central Bank of the Philippines don't print more money just because the value of money will decrease. So that's the reason why our economy will remain in rank down out of the country. So money is an integral part of anybody's life, so it is used to buy necessities and other commodities for daily usage and consumption. Business enterprises essentially run because of the money that comes in, so people seek employments to earn money through compensation. However, despite the different ways available, many people do not have enough money and poverty still exists. Some people may end up thinking, why is the government not making more money? Considering that the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is tasked in producing money. Why not print more bills and give it to the poor? Why not it end poverty if everyone has money? So they can buy all necessities and one seems to be a really good idea. However, if you if you would ask an economist, he would probably say it's a terrible idea. But why is having more money is a terrible idea? The reason behind all of this is inflation. So what is inflation? Inflation is the sustained general increase in the price of goods over some time. So it is often expressed in the rate of increase or percentage change of prices on goods and services. Inflation does not always bring a negative impact on the economy. So a controlled inflation may be beneficial to economic recovery. While it is too high, it will cause the economy to suffer below are some of the negative effect of inflation. So, a decrease in purchasing power. You may have heard your grandparents telling you stories of what they can buy with just 1 peso. A kilo of rice, a few fishes, and some vegetable you can cook a decent meal with just 1 peso. However, peso today does not worth as used it to be. So you can probably just buy candy with it. Inflation throughout the years causes the purchasing power of a currency to decrease. Purchasing power is the number of goods and services that can be purchased from a unit of currency or monetary unit. So let us say the Central Bank of the Philippines decided to create more money and distributed hundreds of thousands of pesos to each individual. Having this amount of money, everyone will be going to stores and purchase places of stock. While demand increases, businesses will then increase and price of the commodity as many people can afford it. What if the company chooses not to increase the price? They will need to produce more products and employ more people to meet the demand. Considering everyone that hundreds of thousands of pesos will they settle for a low salary? The answer is most probably no. Business will need to offer higher salaries which will eventually lead to an increase in price. Undervalued savings. So savings will also be effective if the prices of commodities increase. For example, you have been saving money after 5 years and you were able to raise this amount of money. However, at this time, the country is also experiencing inflation. The house you wanted to buy is now worth 2 million. So your savings is no longer enough to buy the house you wanted and need to save more. So inflation is the quite common to every countries. In some cases, it's the beneficial to economy. However, a country need to be under control. So that's the reason why the Bangko Sentral of the Philippines don't produce more money.